Hi, Beth. Hi, everyone. Just waiting for a few seconds for everyone to join us so we can start here. Really, thing. Oh, Path. Thanks so much. Path, are you on the chat room? Talk about chat room, guys. Free trials until next month. A chat room here created my own. More than 100 members right now. So it's free until next month. So it's there. You can use it. The chat room is open 24 hours. I don't promise you guys I will be there 24 hours a day online, but most of the day I'm there telling you guys and everything. So hi, Megan. Yeah, Bunstein quite close. Anyway, guys, so yeah, if you wanted to join, the chat room, just send me an email and I can add you on. Okay, just send me an email telling me to add you on the chat room, and I add you straight away there. All right. Yeah, guys. So well, since the during the day, we can see here the market has been quite active today. So we see Nero here popping higher to what 1445, a little bit higher, and then came all the way to 1410, and now finding resistance in this horizontal line here, which I think is a very long term that I post that line. Yeah, so if I come all the way back here, you're gonna see that, well, guys, it was a long time ago, 30 minutes, but anyway, we had something there. It's a zone, a line of resistance, and you can, if you want to add this line now, you just zoom in and you can put this line probably here, right? So there's a resistance zone there. Now pound screens. Well, such a contrast day, because yesterday we saw the pound crashing lower. Okay, everyone was turning bearish, and today we have seen the opposite. Okay, from the previous day, the pound all the way higher to 144.25 right now, near the highs, few pips from the highs. So pound still very strong there, no signs of bearishness at all. If we go to the Aussie looks like a flagging here. For this confirm as a flag, we need to stay below that high we made today, which is about what, 72.92. Okay, just because it I put a fib there, you can see, and the flag needs to be at least not at least, but maximum 50% of the whole move. So if we break the high, means that we're gonna cross the 50% of the whole move, and then the flag is invalid. Okay, so keep that in mind. So yeah, but who wants to short? I think still has reason here to sell Aussie, to be honest with you. I was shorting, my stop loss was exactly at the top, the high we made today, so pretty unlucky there, but that sometimes happens. Dollar index at support right now, you can see there pitchfork, holding, not holding, but gave us that levels there of support. So we're trying to make a bottom there. Let's see, we can. Or Swissy, we are long from the chat room. Who is there knows I'm long, and some of you guys join me. I'm still long here as well, finding resistance in that pitchfork as well. Line, which is there. I added this morning from the chart room. You can access this chart here and then probably copy if you want to. But yeah, there we go, guys. Dollar cat, what a reaction. Okay, we didn't make any low in the US data, which was pretty weak, and we are still here. Okay, I'm long as well. I started long here and then I added more here, so this one here is pretty good. I think I'm more than 30 pips. I'm 34 pips right now. Okay, you can see it there. Yeah, so 34 pips, you can see there on the dollar cat, so pretty nice there. S&P, at the lows, crazy to break this low and going lower. Let's see if we can do that. So probably we can do that while I'm live. I'll let you guys know. And the DAX, guys, we played pretty well from here this morning. The DAX we sold here, close it here and then bounce all the way here, and then it's trying to go lower now. So pretty good trade. Looks like a head and shoulders here as well. If you look, looks like two, isn't it? So one bigger and one from here, from the exactly top. So two head and shoulders there, looks like. So let's see how this pair plays, but I'm still bearish indices, okay guys, just to let you know. I just need a good entry level, and I didn't short here because we're expecting dollar at the DAX to come here. Probably here I would try a short because the risk reward would be, you know, perfectly, but from here I think was a bit more, you know, I don't know what, pretty hard for me to take. But I'm still holding shorts from the highs though, okay? I'm still bearish this pair. I'm still holding my shorts pretty nicely there, playing pretty well. As you can see there as well, you can see my shorts there, right? DAX 180 points, the other one is 140, so pretty positive there on the DAX. So I hope it continues going lower, and let's see how he plays. Anyway, let's go to the charts here, and talking about the DAX, we can talk here. So it's still holding lows, looks like a head and shoulders if we look here on the 4 hour like we saw on the 30 minutes. So it's still bearish here, especially if we break the yesterday's lows. Okay, if we break that, then we can come all the way back to this zone here of X resistance and now support, okay, which is very close to the 38% fib as well. Okay, another thing we can do here is put a fib from the low to the high here, and we can see that the 50% is in that zone as well, right? The 50% is there as well, so pretty good there, pretty nice zone to watch. So still bearish here. Let's see if we can go all the way back there, going to the lows. Euro dollar near, very close to this resistance here, which is around 14.65. okay, if you sell here in current levels or any price near here, I think your stop loss needs to be above that level. Okay, so about 14.70. okay, that where if I sell, I'm already short euro dollar and my stop loss is at 14.70. okay, it needs to be there because I think we have a chance to go higher here and retest this line. And if I zoom out, you're gonna see how this horizontal line has been played out. Okay, this high here, you know, this low here, hold it, you know, good here. So pretty nice line there to have noted. Okay, so that line is 14.65. I always put some pips above or below the line, so I put it on 14.70, my stop loss. Right, cable, as we saw there intraday, now cable here. So cable is disgusting to trade, really hard trade to, you know, really hard trade in the market to trade. I think we have a chance here to reach the 61% fib here, which is around 54.50. okay, I think we can reach there, and it's a zone as well as, you know, a zone of support and resistance. Can I do here, this zone here? Okay, you can see there, pretty good level to watch. I think is a pivot place in this market here. Let's look at our end. Dollar yen, I hear some people trading it. I don't know how you can trade these markets. One thing to note is that we are very close to this bottom of this range. Okay, if we close the daily or the 4 hour at least below 119, okay, so 119 below that, and we close it below, then I think this market is pretty bearish. Okay, pretty bearish there, and can continue going lower. But still, as we still don't have that close below, I think it's best for us to stay away. Okay guys, so keep that in mind. Let's look gold. Gold broke that high that we spoke about, and still going lower. Okay, I put a false breakout here because we were here, and of course, you know, I always tell you guys to wait for the close for you to have a confirmation. Look what happens when you don't have, you know, the confirmation. You know, feel after the data came, jumped, and we are here at the high. So gold looks a bit bullish here, especially when we look the weekly chart. Okay, this trend line here is broken as well, so maybe going back now to this zone here. Okay, probably what, 12.23, something like that. So maybe keep that in mind, guys. I think we can reach there if we continue going higher. What else? S&P just made a new low. Just, you know, just let you guys know. What else? Oil at 8 lows as well. And there go down, crashing lower as well, making S&P going lower. Pretty nice there, guys, for those that are shorting indices with me. So pretty nice there to watch that. Kiwi, same as Aussie at the highs. Kiwi, at least we can look at that, because let's look Kiwi, guys. Yeah, Kiwi is a 38% fib, so we are at resistance, guys. I don't know what to say here. We have to watch that, okay? If you know, buying from here is quite hard, so we have to watch that, how we react, okay, guys, from that. So pretty there, nice to anyway, guys, yeah, that's it for today, guys. I don't think anything else in the market right now. That's all for today, and if you see anything interesting, I'll let you guys know on Twitter or on the chat room. Okay, guys.